Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue of wireless display install failed in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now obviously the first solution will be to try installing it through a system setting. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab and then you can select add optional features. Okay. Click on add an optional feature, search for wireless. Find wireless display here, try installing it. Okay, this is one way, but the main issue was that it is not working. So the other one is the command prompt method. Simply copy this command, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on run as administrator, paste it here and hit enter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.